मैया, तेरी गोद में सर है मैया, अब मुझको क्या डर है मैया। दुनिया नजरें फेरे तो फेरे, दुनिया नजरें फेरे तो फेरे, मुझ पे तेरी नजर है मैया, तेरी गोद में सर है मैया, अब मुझको क्या डर है मैया।
Thank you all, my dear students, for giving such an excellent performance. A father's love is unlike any other, and a one-of-a-kind relationship can never be compared. A father's arms are more comforting than anyone else, and our next performance is one of which is going to show father's love through Pita Se Hai Naam Mera.
दो, उसका रंग काला ही रहता है। और से तू हम सब के लिए, मेरे लिए मर गया है, तू मर गया है, मर गया है तू।
से है नाम तेरा, पिता पहचान तेरी, जिए जिस सहारे पे तू, पिता से वो सांस मिली है पिता, रब तेरा
तुमसे नहीं, बॉस से मिलना है। एक गुंडे को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देने आया हूं।
पिता के आशीर्वाद से तूने सब कुछ पाया है, क्या लेकर तू आया जग में और
हमारे दिल में,
कमाया,
हमारे तन मन, हमारी रूह में, सब जगह होगा मुझे।
पिता के आशीर्वाद से तूने सब कुछ पाया है, क्या लेकर तू आया जग में और क्या तूने कमाया है। सपने हैं जो
touching and emotional performance. The message of bonding given by you would definitely be taken by all of us. May I now hand over the mic to Harshvardhan to take it through and throw some light on robotics form of dance.
अरे देखो देखो क्या क्या करतब दिखलाती है, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी, कभी पतली कभी मोटी, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी कभी पतली कभी मोटी बन जाती है। हाँ, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं हवा हवा। मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं हवा हवा। कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं। 16-17 साल की छड़ी है बड़ी कमाल की। पास अगर कोई दुश्मन आए, छड़ी मार कर उसे भगाए। दादी माँ प्यारी प्यारी दादी माँ, देखो जरा इधर देखो, मुझको छोड़ दादी माँ। दादी माँ प्यारी प्यारी दादी माँ, देखो जरा इधर देखो, मुझको छोड़ दादी माँ। तुम्हें कब से दादी माँ प्यारी प्यारी दादी माँ, देखो जरा इधर देखो, मुझको छोड़ दादी माँ।
नाटक यही मैं तो देखूं, शादी हुई मेरी जब से।
दादी माँ प्यारी प्यारी दादी माँ, देखो जरा इधर देखो, मुझको छोड़ दादी माँ। इस दिन से तुमने कुछ खाया नहीं है, बच्चों ने निवाला उठाया नहीं है। इस दिन से तुमने कुछ खाया नहीं है, बच्चों ने निवाला उठाया नहीं है। हमने कभी पैसा खाया नहीं है, मर जाए क्या दादी माँ।
मर जाओ इसकी बला से, ये तो यही चाहे कब से।
दादी माँ प्यारी प्यारी दादी माँ, देखो जरा इधर देखो, मुझको छोड़ दादी माँ।
Performance. Now, I, Anshika Suyal, as well as the school captain, welcomes you in today's occasion. We both have got the golden opportunity to speak in front of you all about the history of NCC. The British government introduced a military training to the students of Indian schools and colleges so that Britishers would get good officers for the forces. They introduced a university,
passed a bill called National Cadet Corps Act for the continuation of NCC further. An army officer, G.G. Barber, whose rank was equivalent to the colonel, was appointed as the director.
the ranks were further extended and it was raised to brigadier or major general. The first director general was Major General R.S. Pentel. To widen the scope of NCC, a girl division in 1949, para division in 1950 and Navy division in 1952 was established in 1960.
The first rifle, which was used by the NCC cadets, was .22 Dulex rifle. It was made in Yugoslavia and was also used by the Indians.
There are 17 NCC directorates covering all state and union territories. Each state headquarter controls 2 to 14 group headquarters and each group headquarter controls 5 to 7 battalions and it was controlled by brigadier or higher rank.
There are 667 Army Wing, 60 Navy Wing and 61 Air Wings in India,
which includes about 15 lakh of cadets and about 1 lakh of ANOs all over the nation, and it makes the world's largest NCC youth force, and it is also considered as the second line of defense in the case of emergency. Our Uttarakhand territories has a 3 group, that is Dehradun group, Nainital group and Roorkee group. Our NCC has a 2 training center, that is OTA at Kamti, Nagpur and WOTA at Gwalior.
The main aims of NCC is to develop quality of character, discipline, leadership, and to create the best army officers for Indian Army. The motto of NCC is unity and discipline. NCC Day is celebrated on 4th Sunday of November.
Now, the NCC was started in 2015 and it was only started for the boys. The girls became part of this in 2016.
Colonel Rahul Tyagi gave us the permission for senior division. He was impressed by the excellent performance of Cynthia's NCC cadets.
Now, in the next year 2019, our new commanding officer, Colonel Rajesh Kaushik, arrived to our school and he appreciated us and he also allowed us to start our senior division.
Honorable principal of the school took initiative and started NCC for the good of students.
Although it is very difficult to get the NCC, but efforts of our principal sir, the image of our school somehow got it.
To run NCC in schools and colleges, an NCC officer is required to volunteer. And he, Mr. Bhagwan Vallabh Joshi, joined Cynthia Senior Secondary School as PGT Chemistry and Academic Coordinator in the year 2013. He went a rigorous Army training for 3 months at Officers Training Academy, Nagpur in the year 2017 and got commissioned as 3rd officer in NCC to command NCC troops of Cynthia.
Since at that time, the cadets of our schools performing their best under the guidance of Associated NCC Officer ANO P.V. Joshi. Now, achievements of our schools. Kushagra Khulbe has done the RDC in 2019. Aishwarya Rautela, RDC 2020, which is going to be held in upcoming year.
National Shooting Camp. Cadet Anshika Suyal got the highest score in firing in Combined Annual Training Camp held at Kokhal and got selected for the National Shooting Camp.
Now, All India Speed Tracking Camp. Cadet Preeti Rana, Poonam Pandey, Anjali Negi, Tanushree Pargai, Ankita Mehra, Karishma Nyal was selected.
National Rock Climbing Camp, Cadet Khushi Verma, Cadet Anjali Negi, Cadet Thal Canning, the Thal Sainik Camp, Anshika Suyal and Richa Agarwal.
Now for the EBSB camp, Khushi Verma and Anjali Negi was.
Thank you very much for throwing light on NCC. A good evening to one and all present over here. So, are you ready for the next performance? The next performance is robotic dance. Robotic dance is exactly as the name suggests, dancing like robots. Its movements are called dime stops, which comes to an abrupt stop, just like robot. The famous songwriter and dancer Michael Jackson gave fame to it. The dancers have glanced look on their face and all movements are made as if they are moving in slow motion. This is very similar as popping and break dancing, but have difference in the basic movement. So, with this description, are you excited? So let's make the day pass slowly with the slow motion of these dancers. Please give a big...
Robo-da, 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 robo-da.